In another video talking about Tinkercad, I talked about using the lessons to learn how to use Tinkercad. Today we're going to look at how these lessons work and how you can use them. Now, as I previously mentioned, there are starters, lessons, and projects. Starters are the basic of the basics and a good place to start if you've never used it. If you have used Tinkercad before, you can skip ahead to lessons or projects, although be aware that they might tell you some shortcuts in the starters that you will miss. So it shows 4 right here, but if you click on CL Starters, you will see that there are a total of 7 starters. We'll see that in just a moment. Here are the 7 different starters, and it talks about moving stuff and how everything works. So we're going to start with the first one called Place It. So when you do a lesson, it tells you how many steps you have at the top and what step you're on, and it gives you instructions. Now the instructions are right here that you can read. Welcome to Tinkercad. We are excited to have you with us. Tinkercad is used to build all types of creations by adding and removing shapes from within the design workspace. Now, let's add a shape to the work plane now. And you can see right here it shows pictures of what to do. You can click on the pictures to make them bigger. It says instructions. See the orange shape on the work plane? That is a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. Find the box shape in the Shapes panel on the right side of the screen. Left click and drag the box shape to the hint on the work plane. Continue to the next step. So like that. Hit next. Congratulations, you have successfully started your journey to becoming a designer. Let's keep going. And you can either choose to reset it if you wish to do it again, or you can click Done, and you have completed this lesson. Congratulations. You can continue to take the next project, view it, or just hit continue. And that is how simple it is to do a lesson in Tinkercad. Like I said, if you've never used it, start with the starters. I know they're simple, but they'll give you some good information. If you've already know the basics, go ahead and move on to the more complicated ones.